Welcome to the Encoded Destiny, unlocking the blueprint of your life path. This video is a guide to calculating and interpreting your numerological signature. You were born with a code. Your destiny number, derived from your birth date, reveals your core essence, natural talents, and the specific spiritual journey you are meant to navigate. We calculate this destiny number using digit summing. First, independently reduce the year, month, and day components. Then, sum these three reductions and reduce the total to a single digit. Let's look at a practical example. For a subject born on March 15, 1990, the reductions for the year, month, and day are 1, 3, and 6, respectively. Summing them yields 10, which reduces to 1, the leader. These numbers correspond to 9 archetypes of vibrational energy, each with a unique meaning. From the leader, 1, to the humanitarian, 9. The first group, the Individualists, includes the leader, 1, defined by independence, the Diplomat, 2, seeking harmony, and the Communicator, 3, focused on creativity and expression. Next, the Builders and Seekers. This group contains the Builder, 4, focused on stability, the Adventurer, 5, defined by freedom, and the Nurturer, 6, dedicated to responsibility and service. Finally, the Visionaries include the Seeker, 7, driven by introspection, the Powerhouse, 8, focused on material success, and the Humanitarian, 9, defined by universal love and compassion. Understanding compatibility provides insight into relationships and collaborations. Compatibility is based on energy logic, shared energy, complementary forces, and resonance. The dynamic paths are the odd numbers, representing Yang energy. These dynamic energies prioritize freedom, expression, and movement, connecting to the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. The stable paths are the even numbers, representing Yin energy. These stable energies prioritize harmony, structure, and reliability, connecting to the numbers 2, 4, 6, and 8. To clarify common questions, destiny number and life path are often used interchangeably. Your number is permanent, but personal year numbers change annually. Numerology is an ancient practice for personal insight, not empirical science. The blueprint is yours. The building is up to you. Your destiny number reveals your path, and you are the architect of how you walk it. Use this code to unlock your potential.